The
We need
kids built a bridge right there.
We
Pretty
need to
cool.
raise it up more so it don't flood and go over the bridge.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds like a cool bird.
Yeah.
It's a nice little spot in the summer. Yeah, I'd be careful going inside that house.
We don't go inside of it 'cause that's the
Yeah.
yes.
Do not trust that. There is a big hole in the middle of that. Nope, Brooke, Ray. Oh my goodness.
Me and Caleb built.
All right, come on. What's your favorite thing about walking in the rain?
That I could get some exercise in and that I could actually breathe.
Cute little Airbnbs in our neighborhood. Very cute, right on the river. A lot of people stay in that one right there.
That one right there has a hot tub and it has mini golf too and like tennis.
You can hear the river down here. Other side. It's really pretty. Definitely shouldn't be wearing Crocs out here, not in any kind of way. Back up the trail we go. Well, I'm going this way, so I will meet you. We'll see who gets there first. Doo doo. Gonna beat you. Oh, guess who won? I did.
I tried to beat you.
Yeah. Sis, what do we call that stick?
Our beating stick.
Yes, we do. Well, how do you get through that? Well, I have Crocs on, sis.
Wow, I can break the top down.
I think let's go through there down to the river when I have different shoes on. That'd be great. Sorry. All right, guys, we're out of here. Thank you for following us on our walk. Brooke is now soaking wet,
Yeah.
but she doesn't mind. Thank you again, and
Make sure to hit that like button.